Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn on Wi-Fi calling on iPhone. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for how to enable Wi-Fi calling in your iPhone. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your iPhone settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you need to click here phone. After click over phone, you're going to find here something say Wi-Fi calling. So you're going to click over on it, and my phone has two SIM. One is physical SIM, is another is this eSIM. So if you want to turn on Wi-Fi calling both SIM, you can do that. If you want to turn on single SIM, you can do that. So for example, I want to turn on Wi-Fi calling in my primary SIM, which is the physical SIM. I'm going to open that, and here you're going to see something say Wi-Fi calling on this phone. So we're going to click here turn on. So whenever you're going to turn on, you will see a pop-up or a message going to appear. When you join a network, the country where the network connection is made may be sent to a carrier, and your caller identity may be sent to the Wi-Fi operation. The city may be sent to the carrier of routing shorts course calls that can be charged in setting. Anyway, it's like it's giving you the mechanism how the Wi-Fi calling going to be work, or the rules and regulations. So anyway, we're going to click here enable. So from now I had successfully enabled Wi-Fi calling in my iPhone. So within this simple way, you can easily enable Wi-Fi calling in your iPhone. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.